Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Sip warm water frequently to soothe throat linings and thin mucus, which helps you cough less. Turn on a humidifier or inhale steam for 5–10 minutes to moisten airway surfaces. Moist air reduces irritation and reflex coughing. Sit upright to let gravity clear secretions and prevent reflux-triggered coughs. Once done, make sure to avoid cold, dry air and smoke, because irritants will undo this progress quickly. These first steps reduce immediate triggers and prepare you for deeper clearing techniques. You now focus on controlled clearing. Inhale slowly through the nose, use 1–2 short, sharp coughs from mid-chest to mobilize mucus, then take a deep cleansing breath and exhale slowly. This pattern clears without triggering more irritation. Practice diaphragmatic breathing for 5–10 cycles to reduce cough reflex sensitivity and calm anxious breathing that prolongs coughing. If mucus feels stuck, have someone gently percuss your chest for 1–2 minutes to loosen secretions, then repeat the controlled cough cycle to expel them. You finish by resting the throat and keeping hydration and humidity steady for the next 12–24 hours so tissues heal and reflex sensitivity drops. Continue warm sips and diaphragmatic breaths as needed. Once coughing eases, slowly return to normal activity, but avoid irritants like smoke or strong perfumes. If coughing persists, worsens, or you develop fever, blood in sputum, audible wheeze, or symptoms lasting more than 2 weeks, seek medical evaluation. Those signs indicate a different problem that non-medicinal steps won't resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.